So, Windows XP was released almost 20 years ago, and back then they manufactured specific XP versions for certain OEMs, for instance Dell or IBM. What's so special about those versions? Well, one thing is the fact they contain automatically deployed OEM software and editions. But, more importantly, they have an additional, quite peculiar way of activating the product. Activation via a telephone. Windows XP is long dead, but can you still activate it? Even after almost 20 years since its release, and more than 7 since its end of life. I watched a video like that a few years ago, and I thought it was a great concept. How long will Windows XP actually last? Let's find out together. The whole idea behind this is to call up a number, connect to a Microsoft representative, which now is a bot. I assume that's why this activation method still lasts to this day. And tell them 9 numbers shown on your screen, to which you'll get another 9 numbers back, and that should activate your copy of Windows XP. To be honest, I find it incredibly cool. Since I will be calling overseas to the number in the United States for your viewing pleasure, I myself am from Russia, this thing will cost me a penny. But it's for content, so it's all fine. Well, let's begin. I don't think it should be that difficult, right?
The toll-free number you have dialed is not toll-free if called from outside the United States. You will be charged at international direct dial rates. If you do not wish to be charged, please hang up now. Welcome to Microsoft's Product Activation Center.
Pour continuer en français, appuyez sur le 2.
Is this Chinese?
To help us improve the quality of our products, services, and training, this call may be recorded or monitored, and information collected on this call may be accessed by Microsoft affiliates, subsidiaries, and service providers internationally. To consent to recording or monitoring of this call, press 1. Or to continue without recording, thank you. This call may be recorded or monitored. For security purposes, please enter the following number on your phone touch-tone pad. 8 2. Sorry, that didn't match.
What?
Let's try again. Enter the following number on your phone's touch-tone pad. 8 2. That still didn't match. Enter the following number on your phone's touch-tone pad. 8 2. Unfortunately, we are unable to verify you. Please call back to try again.
Scammed. Yeah, I got kind of stuck on the verification procedure. At first, I thought that I was simply Russian, not understanding English words correctly.
Sorry, that didn't match.
Which sometimes is a problem, especially when listening to a phone speaker.
7 5 3. That still didn't match. Unfortunately, we are unable to verify you. Please call back to try again.
What are you talking about? That's a scam. But eventually I realized that I was typing the number they were telling me too quickly. Nothing ever goes to plan. I wasted a few USA minutes worth of balance. But no big deal, let's continue.
Please hang up now. For security purposes, please enter the following number on your phone's touch-tone pad. 1, 1, 5. Thank you. Welcome to Microsoft Product Activation. Now, which kind of product would you like to activate? Please say
Windows.
Office. Sorry, I didn't understand. Generally speaking, which type of product are you calling about? Please say Windows, Office, or say it's something else.
Windows.
Okay, Windows. Are you at your computer with the activation screen open? Please say yes or no.
Yes.
Sorry, I didn't understand. Do you have the activation screen open? Please say yes or no.
Yes.
To reduce your effort, we can activate your product using your smartphone's display instead of our audio self-help system. To get started, I'll need to send a text message to your smartphone. Carrier text and data rates may apply. First, are you calling from a smartphone?
No. In fact, I wasted even more time because their system refuses to send out text messages, no matter how hard I tried. No. That's sad, but alright. I just answered no to both of these questions there.
Okay, now take a look at your screen. I'll ask you to tell me the installation ID. The installation ID is a long number broken into several groups. I'll ask you for one group at a time. Please say or enter the digits in group 1.
It's gonna be difficult. 319941.
Great. Group 2.
863600.
Okay, now group 3.
898123.
And now group 4.
625494.
All right. Group 5.
221595.
Okay, now group 6.
379341.
Sorry, that didn't seem to be a valid group of digits. Please enter or say the 6th group of digits. You can also say, start over, or say, I'm lost, and I'll help you find your place.
379341.
Let's try once more. Please enter the 6th group of digits on your phone keypad.
Oh, enter, okay. That's good.
That still didn't seem to be a valid group of digits. I can transfer you to a representative, but you'll have to start the activation process again. It may actually be faster to let me finish helping you. Please say, transfer me anyway, or let's continue.
Let's continue.
Okay, now group 6.
379341.
All right, group 7.
Fuck yeah. 028684.
Okay, now group 8.
143716.
All right, and finally, what's the last group?
854300.
Got it. Thanks. One moment, please, while I look that up. Verified. Now, I will read the confirmation ID. You will need to use your keyboard to enter it in the empty blocks you see near the bottom of your activation window. As I read each 6-digit group, I'll say which block it goes in. Now, use your mouse and position your cursor in block A. Once I've read the entire confirmation ID back, you'll have the chance to hear it again. You can also say repeat to hear that block again. Are you ready to get started?
Yes.
Block A is 0, 7, 9, 2, 8, 0.
I suck. This couldn't get any worse. I was flabbergasted by how quick it started talking. I even skipped the B number. But I started typing at the C part, so that's fine, I guess.
Block C is 7, 2, 4, 6, 5, 4.
Got this one.
Block D is 7, 1, 7, 6, 2, 2. Block E is 7, 6, 2, 8, 9, 4. Block F is 3, 5, 8, 1, 2, 4. Block G is 8, 2, 2, 3, 1, 0. To return to the very first block, say start over. If you've finished entering the digits for all of the blocks, say I'm finished.
Start over.
Block A is 0, 7, 9, 2, 8, 0. Block D is 2, 0, 3, 9, 1, 3.
For some reason I thought I had to type in all of these numbers for confirmation. Everything was in shambles at that point, but I figured it was pretty dumb. Since the bot on the other side was breaking, like listen to it.
Okay, I'll wait a little. Start. Okay. Okay, let me read you the entire confirmation number again. Block A is 0, 7,
Wait,
9,
does it even matter?
2, 8.
Let's try clicking
0.
next and see what
Block
happens.
B is 2, 0, 3,
Oh,
9,
it's done.
1, 3.
Ooh, I'm finished. I didn't need it. Well, that was pretty exhilarating. That's pretty cool. Well, the proof is in the pudding. We have successfully activated Windows XP using a telephone. How long will that last? I think it will run for another decade just fine. Comment down below what you think. And with that, thanks for watching.